Are you wondering how to integrate teamwork.com with Xero? In this quick guide, I'll walk you through the process and show you just how easy it is to link these two powerful tools. Stay tuned, because by the end of this video, you'll know how to streamline your workflow and save hours of manual effort each week. First off, let's talk about why you would want to integrate teamwork.com with Xero. Teamwork is a project management tool designed to help you manage tasks, projects, and communication with your team. Xero, on the other hand, is an accounting software that simplifies your finances, making it easy to manage invoicing, expenses, and other financial details. Integrating them allows you to sync your financial data with your projects, which means no more manual data entry between the two. This integration helps you to get real-time updates on project costs and track your budget effectively. To get started, you need to have both teamwork.com and Xero accounts. If you don't have them yet, you can access them through the links in the description, where you'll also find exclusive bonuses that can get you started with both platforms for free. Once you've got your accounts ready, head over to teamwork.com. In the settings menu, look for the Integrations tab, and from there, you'll find Xero in the list of available integrations. Click on Xero, and you'll be prompted to log into your Xero account. This is where you'll grant Teamwork permission to access your Xero account and sync your financial data. After connecting your Xero account to Teamwork, you'll be able to choose which specific Xero data you want to integrate with your projects. This can include things like invoices, time entries, and expenses. You can assign those financial details directly to your Teamwork projects and tasks. Now, your financial data from Xero is available right within Teamwork, making it easy to keep track of costs, invoices, and budgets for each project. One of the great things about this integration is the automation it brings to your workflow. No longer do you need to manually update both systems. With the sync in place, your Xero data automatically flows into Teamwork, saving you a lot of time and effort. This allows you to focus on what really matters, delivering results for your clients and managing your team. What's even better is that this integration works seamlessly both ways. If you create an invoice or update a time entry in Teamwork, that information can be reflected in Xero. This two-way sync is perfect for keeping your project and financial data in sync without any hassle. If you're new to using both platforms, this integration can significantly improve your ability to manage projects and finances in one centralized location. No more bouncing between apps to get the information you need. Everything is synced and accessible in one place. Whether you're managing a small team or a large operation, integrating Teamwork with Xero is a huge time saver. Now, before you go, I want to remind you that you can get started with both Teamwork and Xero through the links in the description. You'll get access to an exclusive extended free trial of both tools, so you can see just how powerful this integration can be for yourself. So, to sum it up, integrating teamwork.com with Xero is simple, effective, and incredibly beneficial for anyone looking to streamline their project management and accounting. This integration ensures that your team stays on track and your finances stay organized, without the hassle of double entry or tracking down details from multiple systems. Don't forget to use the links in the description for your exclusive bonuses. And if you found this video helpful, be sure to check out our other guides to help you get the most out of your software tools. Thanks for watching.